Hello, this is Dean with Money Funnel Secrets, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly make money with ClickFunnels through their affiliate program. What I will do is take you through step-by-step how to build your funnel utilizing their affiliate program and promoting their products, which offer a great affiliate commission. So here we go. Also, at the end of this video, I will have a free bonus for you. First, you'll log into your ClickFunnels account, and in the top right corner under your account information, you'll select the drop-down menu and left-click on Affiliate. This will take you to your affiliate login page where you can log into your affiliate dashboard. Once you've logged in, next it will take you to your affiliates page for ClickFunnels, and on this page it contains the affiliate products you can promote for ClickFunnels and make commission. For purposes of this video, we're going to choose the Traffic Secrets book as our affiliate product to promote. So this will take us over to the affiliate link and images for the Traffic Secrets book. And here you'll see the affiliate link that we can copy and paste to the image URLs. And as you will see here, there's different images for the Traffic Secrets book, and you can choose whichever one you want to help promote the sale of the book. And then just copy the URL location of that image, and we'll show you how to paste it in a minute. So next, in our ClickFunnels account, we will go over to Funnels and select Add New, and this will take us to the Funnels Cookbook. And from here, we will select the Funnels Cookbook. And this will take us over to the selection of various funnels templates. And as you can see, there's a wide array of funnels to choose from. I've found that the lead magnet funnel is a great one to choose to promote affiliate products. It's simple and very effective. So after you click on lead magnet funnel, it will take you to that specific funnel. As you can see, there's a variety of templates to choose from. You can just go through them and select which one you like best for the product you're promoting. And we'll go ahead and click one here. And here we get a preview of what this particular template looks like. And then we'll go ahead and click on Get Funnel, and it will load that funnel. So now it will take us over to the Funnel Editors page. And here's what it looks like. As you'll see on the far left, it's got the two pages that are part of this funnel: the lead magnet opt-in page and the thank you page. First, we will go in and edit the lead magnet page. So after we click on edit page, it will take us over to that specific page where we can customize it the way we want. So first we can start with the logo image. If you just click on the image, it will then pull up how you can edit that image. And as you'll see on the right, you can put in a new image URL, or you can also select the image box and upload your image that you want, or pull from a library that you've already established in your ClickFunnels account. And as you can see here, similarly, we can edit the headline by just clicking on the headline area. And then from here, we can edit the text. So next, we can edit the headline, subheadline, and text beneath. And to do so, simply click on the box for the text that you wish to edit. And for purposes of this video, we'll just put in a simple headline. But you want to make sure that your headline grabs their attention incites curiosity, and invites them to your call to action. Also, keep in mind that it's important that the text above the area where they provide their information, whether it's their email address, name, phone number, make sure that you let them know what you want from them and what will happen next, or what they can expect next after they submit their information. And of course, if you wish to change the color of the text, that's very easy to do by just clicking on the sprocket to edit that particular text. And then you can go ahead and select the color text that you wish to choose. And as far as the action that occurs when they click on the button, you can choose what you wish it to do by hovering over that particular button, left click, and then click the sprocket, and you can change the action that will occur from there. As you can see, you can then select the action you wish it to take when they click on that button. So on the right, you will see that there's a set action button. Simply left click over that, and it will provide you with a drop-down menu of choices. And from here, you can just hover over the action you want it to take and left click to choose it, and it will highlight that. And then you can go ahead and exit out of that and save it. You can also customize the text you would like to insert inside the button by putting it here in the box next to button text. So then go ahead and save by clicking on the save button in the top right corner. And then next we will insert the image of the product we wish to promote. So here you see the choice of images to insert to promote the product. Simply choose the one you wish to use. And then what you can do is hover over it and then right click and then copy the image location. So next we can insert that image by hovering over the current image in the template, and then click on that and click on the sprocket. And next it will pull up the image editor. And then you can paste the image location into the box. And next we will go over and copy our affiliate link. And then we will paste our affiliate link in the link URL box. Make sure you delete the hashtag before you paste in your affiliate link. One of the cool things about ClickFunnels is that you can also edit the pages as to how they will look specifically on a mobile device. Just simply go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the mobile phone, and this will take you over to the editor so that you could see what it looks like on a mobile device, as well as make some specific changes that would apply either just to your mobile device or vice versa. You could do the same when you're doing your editing for a desktop. So here we see what it looks like in the mobile editor page. And as you can see here, it would look better if we edited the size of the headline text. So we can specifically edit it just so that it changes how it looks on a mobile device. So here you will see that we can edit the headline text specifically as to how it will appear on a mobile device. So simply hover over the mobile size, and then you could select the size font you wish for it to appear on the mobile device, and this will not affect what you previously set on the desktop page. And as you will see here, you can mess around with the font size until you get the font size that you wish and that looks best for the mobile device. And then, as always, it's a good idea to periodically save your work. And then we'll switch back over to the desktop view. I particularly like this template because it already has in it an area at the bottom where you can put in more images, subheadlines, and text, such as to highlight the bonuses that you're offering. And while you can add that to any page on ClickFunnels, it's nice when it's already preset there, and then you just make the edits as you see fit. So as you can see here, I'm letting them know that once they submit their email, then they can order their free book. So again, it's taking them through the steps as to what they can expect. And then here I can let them know that they're going to get a free guide once they order their book. And of course, once again, it's always a great idea to periodically save your work. And then we'll go ahead and exit out of this page and go over to the thank you page. So next, click on the thank you page. And then click edit page. As with the first opt-in page, here we'll want to customize the page with our logo, headline, text, and so forth. So here we'll type in our headline. Likewise, you can edit the subheadline. And then as you can see on this template, the thank you page has a video, so you can create your own short video as to what you want them to do, what to expect, what they're getting free, and how they will get that. Or if you want, you can just change that element and add in text if you so choose. And this here is how you embed the video. And as you will see, there's a choice as to the different types of video you can embed or link to. You can also edit the look of the video box by clicking on themes and select the one you think looks best. You can also click on advanced settings. And then you can select the size of the video box you wish to use. And of course, here is where we want them to order the free book. And so what we'll do is we'll first insert that image. And we'll do that the same way we did on the first page, where you will copy the image URL from your affiliate dashboard, and then you will insert it here. So if you want, you can go back and decide if you want to use a different image for this page. and then just go ahead and hover over the image, right click and copy the image location and insert it into the editor page. So here you will insert the image location URL, and you'll also notice a couple boxes down where it says image width. You can alter the size of the image by putting in different numbers. So for instance, if you put like 200 pixels, it will make a smaller image, or if you go up to like 500, you will see that the image will get larger. And of course, don't forget to copy your affiliate link. And then you will paste your affiliate link into the link URL box for that particular image. That way, when someone clicks on the image, it will take them over to the Traffic Secrets webpage, but through your affiliate link. And of course, as always, save your work. And then next we will check to see how this looks on our mobile device. So in the top left corner, click on the mobile phone and then go through it and see if anything needs adjusting, particularly the text size. And then go ahead and save it again. And then we will exit out by clicking on the curved arrow next to the ClickFunnels logo. And there you have it. I've gone over all of the basics on how to set up your ClickFunnels lead magnet funnel and to promote their affiliate products through their affiliate program. And the great thing is it provides all of your resources and products all in the same system. And as you can see here, I have a screenshot of a lead magnet funnel I created to promote a ClickFunnels product. As I've gone over in this video, ClickFunnels provides a great system and products to start generating income quickly online by setting up your sales funnel and promoting their products through their great affiliate program that provides excellent commission structure. So next, we need to drive traffic to our lead magnet page, which leads us to the free bonus. As promised, I have the free bonus for you. Please click on the link below to access the ultimate guide to building your email list through YouTube. And also, if you like the video, please be sure to like it below and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we will be preparing more videos to help you generate passive income online. Thank you for watching.